Get ready for the ultimate student accommodation experience in the vibrant city of Portsmouth, with Middle Street, a student accommodation you've always dreamed of. Nestled in the heart of Portsmouth, Middle Street offers you a variety of fully equipped studio options ranging from standard to VIP rooms. Each room is a heaven of comfort with plush beds, great study areas, modern kitchenettes, and ample storage space for all your individual belongings. And when it's time to freshen up, your private bathroom awaits, ready to deliver a squeaky clean shower experience. Middle Street is not just about fabulous rooms, but also about the mind-blowing social spaces that redefine the meaning of work and play. Start your day with a complimentary breakfast and unlimited hot drinks. Need to break a sweat? The on-site gym is waiting for you. And when it's time to unwind, head to the gaming area or find your inner zen in the study room, surrounded by your favorite novels. With Middle Street, or just a quick hop from the University of Portsmouth campus. Celebrate your victories at the legendary Eldon Arms or embark on a culinary adventure with your friends at Coach High. With an exciting array of pubs, restaurants, and cafes at your doorstep, the possibilities are endless and the choices are all yours. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the chance to experience Middle Street in all its glory. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your room today.